Hi, my name is Jongwon and this is my project, Cube Spinner. In this project, I implemented a real-time 3D cube that can be rotated using the mouse. In part 1, I will demonstrate how the cube runs. You can see the cube spinning on the screen. I implemented both keyboard controls and mouse dragging controls. Using the arrow keys, you can rotate the cube along the X and Y axis. Additionally, I added mouse control by clicking and dragging the left mouse button. You can rotate the cube freely. This makes the interaction more intuitive and user-friendly. In part 2, I will walk you through the code I wrote for this project. First, in the class, I declared 3 fields. Last mouse X and last mouse Y store the previous mouse cursor positions. Dragging is a boolean that indicates whether the user is currently holding down the left mouse button. Next, I set a mouse button callback using GLFW set mouse button callback. When the user presses the left mouse button, dragging is set to true and the current cursor position is saved into last mouse X and last mouse Y. When the button is released, dragging is set to false, stopping the rotation. I used double buffer here because GLFW get cursor false returns coordinates in buffer form, which is typical in LWJGL. After that, I set a cursor position callback using GLFW set cursor false callback. If dragging is true, I calculate the difference between the current and previous mouse positions. Then, I adjust the cube's rotation angles. Angle Y is increased by dx time 0.5 to rotate horizontally. Angle X is increased by dy time 0.5 to rotate vertically. Finally, I update last mouse X and last mouse Y with the correct cursor position for the next frame. This allows smooth real-time cube rotation using mouse dragging. Combined with keyboard controls, it provides flexible and intuitive interaction. Overall, these callbacks demonstrate a detailed understanding of event-driven input handling in LWJGL and show how user input can directly control 3D object transformations.